Hello, friends. Welcome. So, today that is on November 1st, 2022. So, I have taken few trades. So, let us discuss how the trades went. Okay. And let's see. So, before speaking about the stocks, let's see how the sector has performed. So, the first stock that we'll be discussing from metal sector. So, that is JSW Steel. First, let's see how the sector has performed. So, if you notice, the sector was completely in uptrend. So now let's see this stock. So here you can notice a 10 a.m. candle, right? So it is a bullish candle. So based on this candle, so I thought of going for a long position. So accordingly, I thought of taking an entry. My entry price was at 685, and trade got executed in 11 o'clock candle, and I have placed my stop loss at below of 10 a.m. candle. So stop loss was at 683, and so after formation of 11:15 candle, it's completely a bearish candle. See, you can notice here. So putting this in mind, so I thought it would definitely hit my stop loss. So because of which I exited. So I exited at 683.50. Okay. So here you can see it came down and it retraced. So this second stock that I have taken from banking sector. So let us see. So before speaking about the stock, let's see how the sector has performed. So uh, this is not disclosing here. Okay. Yeah. So in 15 minutes time frame, so it was an uptrend. So after breaking this 915 candle, so it converted into downtrend. Okay. So with this retracement, so I thought of going for shorting as it converted into downtrend. So already retracement also happened, right? Now I thought of going for shorting. Okay, so parallelly I have looked for stocks. So I thought of taking an entry. So the reason for choosing this INDUSInd bank is, so it was in downtrend. See, here it broke this level in a higher time frame. It was in downtrend. So in 15 minutes time frame also, there was a deep retracement. So this was the second reason for choosing this stock. And if you see in uh, uh, 15 minutes time frame, so this was my reference candle. 12:45 was my reference candle for taking an entry in INDUSInd Bank. So immediately, if I also see in 5 minutes time frame, after formation of 135 candle, so I placed my order. My entry price was at 1152. So exactly at a high of 150 candle, trade got executed and my stop loss was at 1153.50. Okay. So here you can see it hit my stop loss. If you observe the sector, see it still came down, but this INDUSInd Bank, so it was completely in sideways. Okay, and so this candle was the manipulation candle. You can clearly notice it, right? S- If you also see in a 5 minutes time frame, the people who might have placed their stop losses at the high of these candles, their stop loss might have hit. So see here their stop losses hit and again it retraced. So yeah, friends, that is all for today. See you in the next video.